What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to start from this image and create this image overlay effect, okay? All in Canva using a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to our design, apply the design in the type that you want and enter with your image. Review the left sidebar of menus, you can go to photos and apply the picture that you would like to use, okay? In my case, it's gonna be this one. But of course, you can upload your own picture. Then go to elements, find shapes. This square is good for me. You can apply some degrees to it, just like this. Make it bigger, just like this. Scroll just a little bit down, a little bit up. You can change the color to match some picture color, okay? Duplicate this. Go right here, just like this, okay? And now click on the image, okay? It's important that you click on the image. Then right click with your mouse and duplicate the image. Align perfectly to the middle, just like this. And remove the second image background on BG remover. And here is the result you got. Then select this middle bottom part and go all the way up, just like this. And here is the final result you got. This gives you an idea of image overlay, the effect, and make people pay more attention to the detail, okay? And of course, you can apply some text right here in the case that I want. For example, just like this. Or maybe like this. And you got some design ideas. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!